warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Inayah Dewi Febrianti. You can call me Inayah. I am from 11 6th graders. I want to make a mosaic craft from leaves. English subject assignments. Okay, let's see how make it. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it will. You should have thought we met. Yeah, we did some tabletops and we took too many shots. Think we kissed, but I forgot. Yeah, we maxed our credit cards and we kicked out of the bar, so we hit the boulevard. We were sneaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark, then having magic clouds on a Friday night. Yeah, I think we broke the law. Honestly, we're gonna stop. We should have got there. Here are results of the mosaic craft. With the name of the birds in the dress. Here I HB the leaves and plant leaves. Okay, I'll just class it here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.